Facebook ads is a powerful tool for businesses to reach their target audience and achieve their marketing goals. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you run Facebook ads with strategy in 2024. 1. Define your marketing goals. Before you start creating your Facebook ads, it's essential to define your marketing goals. Do you want to generate leads, increase website traffic, boost sales, or build brand awareness? 2. Identify your target audience. Use Facebook's targeting options to narrow down your audience based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and location. This will ensure that your ads are shown to the people who are most likely to be interested in your products or services. 3. Choose the right ad format. Facebook offers several ad formats, including single image ads, carousel ads, video ads, and collection ads. Choose the format that best fits your marketing goals and message. 4. Create compelling ad content. Your ad content should be visually appealing, concise, and focused on your unique value proposition. Use clear and persuasive language, include a call to action, CTA, and use high-quality images or videos. 5. Set your budget and bidding strategy. Determine how much you're willing to spend on your Facebook ads campaign and choose a bidding strategy that aligns with your marketing goals. You can choose between cost per click, CPC, cost per impression, CPM, or cost per action, CPA. Number 6. Monitor and optimize your campaigns. Use Facebook Ads Manager to monitor the performance of your campaigns and make adjustments as needed. Analyze the data to identify what's working and what's not, and make changes to improve your results. 7. Test different ad variations. Use A/B testing to test different ad variations, such as different images or CTAs, to see which ones perform better. This will help you optimize your campaigns for maximum results. 8. Stay up to date with Facebook ads updates. Facebook is constantly updating its ads platform with new features and capabilities. Stay up to date with these updates by following Facebook's ads blog and attending webinars or conferences on Facebook ads strategy. Remember that running successful Facebook ads campaigns takes time and experimentation. Keep learning and testing different strategies until you find what works best for your business.